Today's lesson is the second lesson in topic 10, multiply a fraction by a whole number, use models. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. Okay, let's see question 2 and 3 here. Write and solve a multiplication equation. And we have picture here in question number 2 and number line in question number 3. We don't know what's this. Oh, let's see. So to start, my heroes, open your books page. What page is this?
The page is 551 or 500.
551.
This one, this page.
550 teachers.
51.
Okay, great.
550.
Okay, now let's start. Everyone, open quickly. Open the book quickly. Al-Ghafli,
Yes, teacher.
can you read it for us?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
How can you find the product of a fraction multiplied by whole number? Dora lives 1/4
Mile.
mile for school. If she walked to and for school each day, how far does Dora walk during a school week?
Okay, let's see this table. In this table, we have the distance walked in miles. So, to school, 1/4, as the question says. And from school, another 1/4, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is in one day, in Monday. This is only one day. If in the next day, Tuesday, another 4th to the school and 4th from the school, and so on every day. Okay? Okay, thank you, Ali. Great work. And now, my heroes, we understand what is this table. We have the distance 1/4 to school and 1/4 from school, back from school. So both of them in one day. So every day 1/4 to school and 1/4 from school. Okay, let's go down to see. We can use here multiplication and we can use addition. Let's start with addition. How we can start with addition? The question, okay, I will go back to the question. The question asks in 1 week. Okay. How many days in the week? Can anyone help? How many days in 1 week? 7. Great. And how many school days in 1 week? 5 days. Okay, for us, it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But for this school, it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's also 5 days. Okay? Okay. So 5 days, and each day 1/4 to school, 1/4 from school. So these 2/4 for the first day, another 2/4 for the second day. So how many fourths? How many fourths are here?
10.
Oh, great. So as you can see here, my heroes, in this line we have 10 fourths. That's why it's 10 fourths. Okay, and of course we can write 10 fourths as a mixed number. How? 10 divided by 4, we know that 2 times 4 equals 8. So that's why we write here this 2. And the remainder is 2, so why this is 2. Okay, so again, my heroes, how to write it as a mixed number? It's 10 fourths. Yes.
It's like a little bit hard.
Who's this? Ibrahim?
Yeah.
What is the problem here? You mean why we have here 10 fourths, or how to convert the mixed to a mixed number? What's your problem, Ibrahim? Ibrahim, respond.
Yes.
You are asking about why it is 10 fourths? This is your question?
I know, but because they are all of them 10.
Okay, so
They are
what?
10 1/4, so we make it 10 fourths.
Great.
But why here we make it 2 fourths?
Oh, I'm doing it. I will do it, as you can see down here. Right? So you don't need to ask. I'm doing it. Okay, my heroes, again, we need a mixed number. A mixed number means a number and a fraction. And all of us, we know that when we convert from a fraction to a mixed number, we use the same denominator. So the denominator is 4. Any problems? Okay. How many whole in 10? How many 4/4 in 10? Okay, let's take it. 4/4 and another 4/4. Now how many fourths? 8. What do we have left? 2/4, right? Any problems? So this is whole 1 and this is also whole 1. So how many whole do we have? Whole 2. And how many fourths left? 2/4 left. Any problems? Okay. Now let's move to the next.
You forgot the multiplication.
Yes, we will move to the multiplication now. We can draw a number line to show the distance Dory walks. As you can see here, if we draw it, it's the same. And we can multiply 10 times 1/4 since we are repeating the 1/4. Do you remember yesterday when we wrote 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, and after that we say that, oh, we are repeating the numerator. So we need just to multiply the numerator by 10. So it's 10/4. And on the number line, this is 10/4. Here. It's after 2. By how many fourths? By 2/4. So you can use the number line also to convert it to a mixed number, since this is 10/4 here. And it's after 2, the whole 2, by 2/4. Any problems? Okay, let's move down to make it more clear. We have another question down here, and okay, I will choose one of my heroes to read the question for us. Ali Qattan. Ali Qattan. Ibrahim Zamami.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Ibrahim. Okay, Ibrahim. Read the question for us.
And multiplication be.
What? What? Why? Yes?
Why can both addition and multiplication be used represent the problem above?
And why? Mm-hmm. We are repeating something? Yes, so since every day is 1/4 to school and 1/4 from school. So the reason here that we are repeating, we need to repeat because we need to repeat 1/4 to school and 1/4 and 1/4 from school for 5 days. So because we need to repeat it, we can add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 10 times, or just write 10 times 1/4. So we need to write this as an equation. Let's write an equation. We can write 1/4 plus 1/4. How many 1/4 is?
4.
Are you sure?
4.
No, not 4. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need, no, 5 days. Each day 2/4. So how many? Can anyone help? Okay, Abdulaziz. 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 How many fourths?
How many? 1 week?
Yes, the same question. We're solving the same question.
Mister, in 1 week,
Count what?
10.
Of course, my heroes, it's written here. It's written in the question in the top here, as you can see. Of course, 10. Okay, thank you, my heroes. Back to Ibrahim. Thank you, my heroes. Okay, Ibrahim, I want to write it as a multiplication. So, what are the two numbers that I should multiply? I should multiply because we have 10/4, so it's 10 multiplied by 1/4. Thank you, Ibrahim. Great work. Okay, my heroes, 5 seconds to write. Sorry, not 5. 10 seconds. 5 seconds is not enough. Go ahead, my heroes. Finish.
Just it's too short, a short time.
10 seconds. Just write 10 times 1/4. It's not short time. It's very easy to write. Quickly. Okay, so this is 10 times, as you can see, because I want to make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, they are 10.
Teacher,
Yes?
I'm writing all the time 1/4. I thought we were gonna do something else, like
Mm-hmm.
like two plus two. Now it's only one, all the way to 10.
Oh,
10
yes. We can do this with the next questions, but by this question, we need to explain why we are using addition or multiplication. But in the next questions, we'll see the easiest way and we'll use it. Okay, is there anyone writing? Can we move now?
No. Yes, Mr. Riyad Hussein Hamad.
Okay, Hussein, quickly.
Teacher, is my answer right? It's 10.
Ibrahim, what? Your answer? 10 times 1/4, yes. That's right.
Yes. But I said 10.
10, only just 10?
It's 10. 10 second finish. 10 second finish.
Okay, I will move, but I'm waiting because Hussein is writing.
Me too.
Okay, quickly, my heroes.
I'm writing.
Okay, go ahead quickly. Okay, my heroes, now let's move.
Mr. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat.
Okay, I will put in the chat.
Mr. I will put it in the chat.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, Muhammad will put it in the chat. Okay, Muhammad, tell me when you have it in the chat so we can move. Is it okay now, Muhammad?
I sent it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next page. And before we start solving, we need to summarize this one more time. So, I will explain. I don't need help now. Please, everyone, mute your mics. My heroes, mute your mics. In this question, we need to find 4 multiplied by 3/5. We can do this in 2 ways. One of the 2 ways is using addition, and the second way is using multiplication. Okay, let's see how to do it. Using addition, we will repeat this is 4 times 3/5. So we will repeat 3/5 4 times. As you can see, 3/5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4. Sorry, I need it 4 times, and just add them. As you can see here, it's 12/5, and 12/5 we can convert it to mixed number. I will tell you how to convert it, but now focus on the 12/5. Okay, addition is good. Let's move to multiplication. In multiplication, it's much easier, since we will just multiply the 4 by the numerator. Why? Because we don't change the denominator when we add. So, since multiplication comes to us from addition, so we will do the same. We will not change the denominator. We are repeating the numerator. So that's why we are repeating the 3 only, not the 5. So we have the same answer, 12/5. And now, how to convert 12/5 into a mixed number? I'm doing this one more time, so please everyone focus. We have 2 ways also to do this. The first way, and I like this way, is We start with the denominator and divide 12 by 5. 12 divided 5 equals 2, since 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. So I will write here 2. I have 2 whole. What do I have left? What is the remaining? What's the remaining? Since 12 divided 5 equals 2.
2.
And remainder 2. So this 2 is the numerator here. Okay?
Yes, that's what I said.
We can do another way. We can do it another way. How? By writing 12 fifths as, okay, I will use another color here, as 5 fifths plus 5 fifths plus 2 fifths. Using this way, as you can see, we have one here, a whole one, and here another whole one, and the remainder is 2 fifths. So we will get the same. Now, let's try to solve some questions to make sure that we understand multiplication. And we will go to question number 2. Write and solve a multiplication equation. Muhammad Saad. Muhammad Saad.
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad. In question number 2, this one. Okay. What can you see in this picture?
I see a cake.
Okay. It's a cake or pizza? Okay, a cake, okay.
It's a pie.
Oh, whatever. Okay. And in the first plate, what is the fraction in the first plate? I see 2 parts out of how many parts? Let's count them.
5.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, not 5. Count again.
Yes.
Okay, so this is 2 sectors. So the second one also is 2 sectors, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me an equation using multiplication? We are repeating 2 sectors. How many times? How many times? This is Muhammad or someone else? Is this you, Muhammad?
My name is Muhammad.
Okay, Muhammad, how many times?
2.
Okay, so we need to repeat 2 sectors 2 times. So let's write the equation. 2 times 2 sectors. Any problems about how we get this question? How we get this 2 times 2 sectors? My heroes? Okay, Muhammad, now let's solve it. When we multiply, Muhammad, we multiply the numerator only. So, we multiply, Muhammad,
2 multiplied by 2.
excellent, 2 times 2. And the denominator, we do not change it. So, it will be
4 sectors.
4 sectors. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions?
Teacher, I got another way.
Easy, mister.
Oh, great.
Teacher, I got another way.
Who's this, Salman?
Yeah,
Okay, Salman.
we can just plus it.
Oh, yes, but in the question, read the question carefully, my hero.
It says, so if
The question wants multiplication, not addition. Right?
yeah, but you can plus
Again, the question wants.
It's about multiplication. I know that, but you can plus it also. But we're not doing this lesson today because we already did it.
Oh, I understand what you mean. You mean that we don't need to use multiplication in all, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I will ask a question, but after this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's move to the next one. And Thamer. Thamer.
Yes,
So-
teacher, I am
Okay, Thamer, go ahead. What are we repeating?
What?
Okay, what are we repeating? As you can see here.
0,
What? We are repeating 0.
1 and 2, 1 and 3.
What? 1 and 3. What are we repeating? It's moving up to here. This is the number that we are repeating.
2,
No, not 2. This is 2/3.
2/3.
Okay, so we are repeating 2/3. How many times?
4,
1, 2, 3, 4. So we are repeating 4 times of 2/3. Okay, go ahead, my hero. So the denominator as it is, and just multiply 4 by 2. 4 times 2.
equal 8.
Excellent, thank you, my hero. So it's 8/3.
30.
And I need now someone to help me to convert this one to a mixed number. Can anyone help me?
Not.
Okay, Nader. I want a mixed number.
It's 2 and 2/3.
Okay, why?
Because a whole one is 3 and 8 divided by 3 equals 2.
Excellent. So
2 and
I can write here 8 divided by 3 equals 2, and the remainder is 2. Why it's 2? Because 2 times 3 equals 6. And why this is 2? Because 8 minus 6 equals 2. Okay, my heroes, any problems? As you can see in the picture here, it's the same mixed number. Any problems? Okay, back to Salman now. Salman, you said that we don't need to use multiplication. What if you have, what if we have a question with large numbers like this? 20 multiplied by 3/5. Okay.
If we do that, we can't do it.
Yes, you can write 3/5 20 times, right?
Yeah.
This is too much, right?
Yeah.
I think it's easier for us to say that it's 60/5. Right?
It's too much.
Oh, yes. So, multiplication is easier here. And my heroes, 60/5, this is 12. 12 whole. Okay. Now, my hero, you know that we need multiplication. If we have large numbers, we need to repeat very large number of times. Any problems, my heroes? Any questions?
Okay.
Okay, my heroes, now I will send to you the link of the game.